Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was text to wrap. In this program, I will explain the program requirement. After that, I will develop the code according to this requirement. Coming to this program, I will read this program requirement first. You are given a string s and width w. It means in this program they provided a input as string s and width w. And coming to this next line, your task is to wrap the string into a paragraph of width w. It means uh, in this requirement they give one task for us. We need to perform this task. So the task was simply we need to wrap the string. So input they provided string, right? That string we need to wrap into a paragraph of width w. So it means we can if this line didn't understand, so we can simply go to the sample input and sample output. Here we can understand by seeing input and output format. Here string s and with w provided as input as mentioned in the above line, and as per our task mentioned in the above second line, they wrap the text by the with provided in the input. So every line contains 4 characters only. If any characters are remaining 1 2 3 like that, simply those are getting under the last line like this. That is not a problem. This is our task, to wrap the text like this. This string we need to wrap. Like wrap means we need to split according to the width provided in the input. So coming to the editor, this code already they provided. I will explain this code. Here string maximum width means this line. So this line they use this string variable, and maximum width use for this input they use max underscore width as variable. Please remember variable concept. If you don't know variable concept, you can go through introduction video so that you can easily understand what is variable. And for string they read input of. For max width of they read int of input of. This means string is text format, right? So input of is okay for input of is used for string variable. So here max underscore with variable, um, reading int of input of. So here with basically present in numeric. So integer data we need to read by using int data type. So here in the result, this is the default format for functions. Result equal to this function what we are um, you defined in the function. That function we are taking in the one variable. That variable we are printing here. This is the format we need to follow. If you don't know how to follow this format, you can go through fifth or sixth program in this Python series, which starts from functions concept, and we can directly read this function line in the print statement instead of storing this all line in the result variable. um, why why they provided storing this line in the result was, if you are directly storing this line in the print statement, that would be looking complex or different. So that this line storing in the result variable, that result variable simply storing in the print statement. Result will be not varied. We are directly printing this statement or storing this statement into this variable. We can print this variable. So remember variable concept, because a variable concept will get all programs definitely. And they are providing this program lines itself. So Basically these program lines are for input, and here they use function as, if you want to use function concept, def is the keyword for defining the function. So wrap of string comma maximum width, we need to pass our input values through this function, then only we can able to use these input values. And coming to the return, I will directly use text wrap dot fill of, I will directly copy this line and use here. Why I'm using like this was, here uh, this is very important concept, import, because by using this import concept you can reduce our code. If the code was 10 lines is there, we can simply use one line instead of 10 lines uh, to get our result as per our requirement. Here import means, this is the import means this was calls library functions. So in this library already predefined answers and predefined data was present. By using this predefined library we can achieve text wrap dot fill. If you are using like this, we can simply passing text and width. So according to this text and width, already data and already this text wrap library knows how to perform if text and width was present in the parentheses. So it will be simply doing the operation in background and provide the result like this. So I will run this code. If the code run successfully running or getting any error, so this code was running successfully. One sample test case are using this sample test cases was executed, and I will submit this code. So here all 6 test cases are executed. So the main important thing in this program was this function. If you don't know the function, how to use function, you can go to the function program starting in this series. That would be helpful to write your program in the functions concept. So this is the important line. Already text wrap knows if you provide text and width, text wrap dot fill itself doing the operation background itself and provide the result like this. So you can understand how the function, how the program was working, then only you can able to write code yourself individually. So if you have any doubts, you can ping in the comment section. Thanks for watching and thank you all for support.